Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Wi-Fi is active, and you are signed into iCloud using the same Apple ID on your hub. Once done, open the Home app and tap the plus icon to add accessory. Scan the device's HomeKit QR code or enter the setup code manually, because scanning can fail in low light. Make sure the accessory stays within a few feet of your Home hub during pairing, or the app won't detect it and you'll waste time repeating steps. Next, organize and automate. Assign each newly added accessory to a room so Siri and the app find it intuitively. This matters because voice commands rely on room context. Then build scenes that trigger multiple devices together. Good night could turn off lights and lock doors, for example. After that, set automations using time, people arriving or leaving, or accessory states. Choose conditions carefully to avoid repeated triggers. If you want remote control, verify your Home hub is listed as connected in Home settings. To finish, test every scene and automation manually to confirm the expected outcome, because seeing it once prevents surprises later. Make sure each accessory and your Home hub run current firmware and software. Updates fix many connectivity bugs. If a device is unresponsive, restart the hub, toggle Wi-Fi, and try re-adding the accessory. If pairing keeps failing, remove it from Home, reboot the accessory, and add it again. One key tip: check that Bluetooth is enabled for accessories that require it, or they won't respond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.